You know, Abdullah, the people of this city are still convinced of the difference between the rulers and themselves. My life is astonishing to them. But gradually they will become accustomed to my lifestyle. The life of our Prophet was also very simple. He took care of the poor, got up and sat down with them. Every Muslim should make his life a role model for others. Have you heard anything about the lives of the kings of Iran?
My father has told a lot about the fact that when the king invited his rich friends to his palace, the people of Madain would get sad, because they had nothing left to eat.
When the king adopts such an attitude, the rulers and emperors also follow him. Have you heard of Lake Sawa? Lake Sawa had a very beautiful and charming view. Pleasant breeze and beautiful scenery. Lake Sawa was transformed into a resort for the Iranian elite. The houses by the lake were owned by the authorities. Lake Sawa had become a place of activities that were only for fun and luxury.
Grandpa, everyone is eating delicious food. I am hungry too.
Wait, my daughter. Let me think of something.
Don't they know we're hungry? We should eat too.
My daughter, they are all rich people. Bear with me. Wait here, my daughter. Wait, I'll try to see if they help us. Oh, Prince. We have not eaten for 2 days. Help us.
Hey old man. How did you get in? Have you come in by tricking the guards? Wherever we go, the gathering of beggars annoys us like bees. Put your hand away, girl, otherwise I will burn it.
Let's get out of here, daughter. Oh, Prince. We have not eaten for 2 days. I beg you to help us. We haven't eaten for 2 days.
What do you want? Do you want meat? I have thrown it in the trash. Pick it up from there. Wow, how delicious it is. How fresh it is. Wow, well done.
Grandpa, I can't walk anymore.
Be patient, my daughter. I see what I can do. Oh, Prince, we have not eaten for 2 days. I beg you to help us.
You want money? I have thrown so much money into the lake, go and take as much as you have to take. You will get a lot of money.
How much fun! How rich we are! How poor are they?
Just look at how much money has been thrown into the river. At the time of the birth of Holy Prophet, the water of the river got absorbed in the earth and the lake went dry. So everyone understands that the last messenger does not like oppression, hoarding money, unnecessary luxuries and greed.